Hello and welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things. I'm super glad to see you here today. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I would really appreciate it. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Today we're trying a palette from a company that I've seen a lot in my online ads with just the most beautiful packaging, and it is a Chinese company and it's called Zeesea. And they are available on Amazon. Look at this. Look at this palette. Look how beautiful that is. And this is the 16 color Fireworks palette. And it's a pretty basic palette with some pops of blue. We're going to try to do a look today with this. And there's so many colors that I don't have room to swatch them all. So we'll just fly by the seat of our pants and see what's what. This one's got a cute little kitty cat impression. It's very cute. I'm going to use that in my, there's no names. I'm going to use that in my crease. And it's a pretty peachy neutral color. The cats are knocking things down all over the house today. They're in destruction mode. Do they care what Mama thinks? No ma'am. No ma'am, they do not. Because they are cats and they do what they want. They're like little gangsters with fur. So I'm going to go into this kind of terracotta color. It's got little whiskers on it. These colors are going on really nicely. Very smooth. It looks pretty. It's a little more orange than I normally wear. But, you know, it's blending out great. What kind of day are you having? That's what I want to know. I'm having a great day. I received a package that I've been waiting for a long time, and that's the next video I'll be making today. I'll be making 2 videos today, and I cannot wait. And you can see the highlighter on my finger because I put some on underneath my foundation. I put a little bit on top of the foundation because I'm a little special, you know. A little extra. Extra, extra. Remember that old talk show, media entertainment show, Extra? Let's see. There's a pretty shimmer here, and I'm going to just use my finger. Put that, oh, that's really beautiful. Put that on the lid, on the inner corner. It shows up really nicely. I'm building it up. I'll do the same on the other side. I don't know why it's so hard for me to talk and do things at the same time. It's like walking and chewing gum. I think I can actually walk and chew gum, but sometimes it's hard for me to talk and do makeup at the same time. But nobody likes dead air. Nobody. I'm just glad you're here. That looks really great. So now I think I'm going to try a darker color in the outside corner. I'm going to go in with this chocolate brown. Kind of a warm reddish brown. Let me get into that. Oh, that looks nice. Very pigmented. This whole palette's super pigmented. let's get a blending brush going. Ooh, I'm blending my life away, waiting for a better day for me. Ooh, I'm blending my life away, waiting for a sunny day. That is a take on an old country song called Driving My Life Away or something. I don't even know. I can't even remember who did it. It just popped up in my head. That's looking really great. I feel like I need a little something down here on the lower lid. There is this really pretty gold shimmer. Let me see how that goes. It's like a gold glitter. Yeah, that's awesome. I'm just putting that over top. I didn't use a glitter glue or anything, so we'll see how it stays. Ooh, I'm glittering my life away. Really having to dig in this glitter. Oh, that's pretty. That's very pretty. I think I'm going to do some liner and mascara, and I'll be right back. And voila, I am back. And that makes all the difference. Every time I put mascara and liner on, it really pulls an eye look together. And today I'm going to be using a Jeffree Star Bite My Lip, and it's from that Pricked collection. And it is a beautiful, beautiful color. And that looks great with this eye look. And I am loving it. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice. This has been the Zeesea palette, Fireworks, number 16 color eyeshadow palette. I hope you have a great day.